Well, look at this. We gotta spread some more mud. TF2 and Mike from the Geekcast Radio Network. Visit geekcastradio.com for all your podcasting needs from me and my friends. No, Linda, we are not ready. We are never ready. Alright, that's a spreader. And we're going to do this. Hey, just get them nasty squirkles out of here. Stupid squirkles.
Thanks, friend.
You're welcome. Don't you dare. Oh, see no squirrels coming out of these damn.
Dang, you're good.
Alright, let's see what we got over here.
Holy crap. I have the power!
There we go. Got rid of the squirrel. Yay! I'll take some chimkin, please. Holy crap, dude. This... I can't... What? Mud level as a short? Once again, I am flabbergasted that a mud level is going to be a short. I love it, but dang. Ooh, villain. You never know who the villain is until you hit that level. But here we go, folks. Mud level short coming up.